You like it banana, you wiki wiki cow cow mai tai. This goes out to all my Micronesian brothers out there going around with their Hawaiian friends and all the other Polynesian cultures out there. Okay, number one, when you first come to Hawaii, you're gonna hear a lot of different kind of vernacular stuff like that. Okay, the thing that you're gonna hear much of the time over there is the pidgin language. It's not the Hawaiian language. That you leave it to the indigenous Hawaiians. I talk about the pidgin language, kind of like the broken language with all the mixed cultures and all that. That's the one I'm talking about. Okay, so that's the one we're talking about. I control you one, right? You like it banana, you wiki wiki cow cow mai tai. Oh, what is that? As one top notch pidgin line. What does that mean? You like this banana, you eat it, everything gonna be alright. You like it banana,